Hi students, this session is for class 7, subject mathematics, chapter 12, concurrence of triangles, topic concurrence of simple geometric shapes. Topics covered in this session are introduction of concurrence and concurrence of geometric shapes. Concurrence. Two figures that have the same shape and size are said to be concurrent. We have to keep it in mind that two figures that have the same shape and size are said to be concurrent. Same shape as well as same size figures are called as concurrent figures. Can you find any concurrent figures in this picture? Is there any butterfly concurrent to each other? No. Here in this picture, yes, of course. Both the balls are in same shape as well as same size. Therefore, these balls are concurrent. Superposition. The method of investigating concurrence by placing one object on the other is called the method of superposition. For example, let us take the coins. If two coins are placed one on top of the other, they will coincide with each other exactly. Let us see. By arranging the coins, likewise, which is given in the figure, if we arrange it like this, they will match each other exactly in shape and size. Their edges will coincide exactly. This method is called superposition. This is used to investigate whether the given figures are concurrent or not. Concurrence of line segments. Two line segments are concurrent if their lengths are equal. When we compare two lines, their measurement should be equal. What is the measurement there? Length of the lines should be equal. Line segments need not be parallel to be concurrent. When we are going to compare two lines, they need not be in parallel position to each other. They must have equal lengths. That is the condition there. Symbol to represent concurrent is, this is the symbol to represent concurrent. Above the equal to symbol, the S is like a slanting S. Okay, keep it in mind. This is the symbol to represent concurrent. Look at this. How we use it to draw a line. We may use ruler or compass to draw the line. Likewise, we may use ruler or compass to measure two lines whether they are equal in length. Here, look at this picture. AB is one of the line segments, CD is the other line segment, EF is one of the line segment, and HG is the another line segment. Can we compare this four line segments? Which are equal? We can guess by using the lines given, red lines. Look at the red lines. In AB there are two lines as well as in CD also two lines. If they indicated like this, their lengths are equal. So only they have indicated like this. Okay. So the line segments AB is concurrent to the line segment CD. How to represent AB and CD? AB is equal to CD because their measures are equal. Here we have to replace equal to symbol as concurrent symbol. Therefore, AB is concurrent to CD. Next pair is EF is equal to HG. They have given one line, one red line on these line segments which represent both are equal. Therefore, EF is concurrent to HG. Look at the figure given here. What is this? An angle made between two arms. Concurrence of angles. Two angles are said to be concurrent if their measures are equal. We have to keep it in mind that when we are going to compare two angles, their measures must be equal. Angles can be in any orientation on the plane, which means the comparing angles can face any direction, but their measures must be equal. Let the angle be PQR and its measure be 60 degree. Let us compare it with the another angle ABC. How to compare? We can use protractor to measure both the angle or superposition method. On comparing, we get that the angle ABC is also 60 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. This can also be called as angle ABC is concurrent to angle PQR. Let us see another figure. See this. This angle's measurement also 60 degree. Angle XYZ also 60 degree. Compare this angle XYZ with angle ABC. What is the difference? Their arms are lengthier than angle ABC. This is not important. When we are comparing two angles, the measurement of angles must be equal. That is the important thing. If their arms are lengthier or less, then that is not important. That is the third point. The length of two arms making up the angle is also immaterial. Immaterial means not important. Their measures must be equal. That is the important thing. We have to keep it in mind. What is the figure given here? Yes, it is a circle with radius r. Concurrence of circles. A circle is a set of points that are at an equal distance. What is the equal distance from the center? That is the radius. From a fixed point. That a fixed point is the center of the circle. Two circles are concurrent if they have the same radius. When we are going to compare two circles, their measurement of radius should be equal. Radii of two circles must be equal. These are the two circles. Look at the radius. They have given in the picture that a line is mentioned in each circle, which means radius of the two circles are equal. If two circles have the same radius, then they are concurrent circles. Let us compare this circle with the other circle. How to compare? Yes, we know that superposition method. Yes, it exactly coincides with the other circle and the radius of the other circle also r. Concurrence of quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed figure having four sides and four angles. Two quadrilaterals would be concurrent if these 8 elements of one quadrilateral are concurrent to the corresponding 8 elements of other. Okay, let A, B, C, D be the first quadrilateral. We are going to find whether it is concurrent with the quadrilateral PQRS. How to find that? Yes, the method of investigation is the superposition method. By doing this, yes, exactly the quadrilateral ABCD coincide with the quadrilateral PQRS. So, now what are the 8 elements to be concurrent? Now the quadrilateral ABCD and in quadrilateral PQRS, the first element is side AB is concurrent to side PQ. Likewise, side BC is concurrent to side QR of the other quadrilateral and side CD is concurrent to the side of other quadrilateral which is RS, and finally the side DA is concurrent to the side PS. Okay, these are the 4 elements. What is the next 4 elements? Angle A is concurrent to angle P, angle B is concurrent to angle Q, and angle C is concurrent to angle R, Angle D is concurrent to angle S. These are the 8 elements to be compared, and finally we can say this quadrilateral ABCD is concurrent to PQRS. First one, concurrent square. Here first one refers to the square is one of the type of quadrilateral. Let us see one of the type of quadrilateral, which is square. Two squares are concurrent if the length of one side of a square is equal to the length of any one side of the other. Let the squares are ABCD and PQRS. See, we have to compare. How to compare? Yes, superposition method. Method of investigation is superposition. We have compared ABCD square coincide with the PQRS square. Therefore, according to the statement in squares ABCD and PQRS, side AB of square ABCD is concurrent to the side PQ of PQRS square. Okay, this is the point which we need to prove the squares are concurrent. Therefore, square ABCD is concurrent to PQRS. Concurrent rectangles. This is another type of quadrilateral. Rectangle is another type of quadrilateral. Two rectangles are said to be concurrent if the length and breadth of one rectangle are respectively equal to the length and breadth of the other. Let the rectangles are ABCD and the other rectangle is PQRS. We are doing the superposition method to find whether the rectangles are concurrent. Yes, they are concurrent, and now we know that elements which is to prove to be concurrent rectangles are length and breadth. Here, AB is the length of the first rectangle. Likewise, PQ is the length of the second rectangle. So, side AB is concurrent to side PQ. That is the length. Next, breadth. BC is the breadth of the first rectangle and QR is the breadth of the second rectangle. BC is concurrent to QR. Therefore, rectangle ABCD is concurrent to PQRS. Exercise 12.1. Second sum. Measure and name the pair of concurrent figures using the correct symbol. Look at the first one. XY is one of the line segment, RS is the other line segment. How to compare? We have to measure the length of both the line segments. If they are equal, then both the line segments are concurrent. If they differ, both the line segments are not concurrent. Now, let us take XY and RS as two line segments, and how to measure the length using ruler or scale. Okay. Now, we have measured that XY measurement is 7.5, and let us measure the line segment RS, which is 10.5, but XY measurement is 7.5. So, the length differs. Therefore, XY is not concurrent to RS. Fourth one. In the question they have given two angles. We have to find whether they are concurrent or not according to the question. Okay. How to compare? We know that two angles are said to be concurrent if their measures are equal. Now we have to measure the angles and find out whether they are concurrent. How to measure the angles? We know that protractor is used to measure the angles. So we use it. The first angles measure is 55 degree. Angle AOX is 55 degree. Likewise, the second angle measure is also 55 degree. Therefore, angle BOY is equal to 55 degree. Solution. Angle AOX is equal to 55 degree and angle BOY is equal to 55 degree. Therefore, angle AOX is concurrent to angle BOY. Students, I hope you all have understood this session. Thank you.